Nature never ceases to amaze us with rare, unbelievable moments. Let's explore a one-in-a-billion collection of natural moments that you have to see to believe. A rare scene captured in China, a brilliant rainbow stretching across the sky, curving gracefully like a giant halo. Lava from Kilauea volcano erupted violently and poured straight into the sea. This is one of the rare natural phenomena where lava and seawater meet. Tornadoes that occurred in the United States in 2024 swept across houses and vast plains. The fierce winds tore away rooftops, trees, and vehicles lying in their path. A massive rock remains standing despite strong winds. Do you have any explanation for this phenomenon? A flowing waterfall was frozen mid-air due to extremely low temperatures, creating thousands of sharp icicles hanging down like swords, leaving viewers both amazed and chilled. The sky suddenly displayed extremely rare undulatus clouds. Layers of clouds rolled and rippled continuously, as if the entire city were submerged underwater. This phenomenon also signals a dramatic change in the weather system, possibly followed by storms or heavy rains in the next few hours. Due to continuous rain over 3 days, the resulting bridge collapse was inevitable. Close-up of Brazil's largest bridge connecting the north and south collapsing. Due to their self-igniting properties when struck together forcefully, they create sparks, an eye-catching phenomenon. When a tornado meets snow, it creates a beautiful yet extremely dangerous scene for humans. How is a tornado formed? This is the answer for you.
this run! Oh! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Let's admire this captivating moment featuring the dolphins. It turns out this scene is simply a swan eagerly feeding the fish. Unlike most other animals, it's the male seahorse that gets pregnant and gives birth, while the female transfers her eggs to the male's pouch during mating.
Oh my god!
Oh, that house right there!
That's the mine. Oh, there's a house.
There's a house right there!
There it goes.
This is a post-earthquake eruption phenomenon in Afar, Ethiopia.
لا إله إلا الله. ده عندي هنا كله عشتي. لا إله إلا الله. محمد رسول الله.
This volcanic eruption was recorded as the highest in history. The scene looked like the end of the world. Millions of locusts filled the sky like an insect storm, reducing visibility to nearly zero. This phenomenon disrupted daily life and caused severe damage to local agriculture. A powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck, triggering a tsunami and landslides that caused severe damage to lives and property. Indonesia's disaster agency also reported that 430 hectares of land and nearly 3,500 homes were buried following the earthquake. The phenomenon has been confirmed to result from the melting of permafrost, causing mud ice and grass to collapse and flow down like a giant black lava stream. Somewhere in the world, nature has just changed everything once again. Subscribe so you won't miss the stories that need to be remembered.